today we're playing Hospital Anomaly. Animal Hospital Anomaly. Meant to say? And looks like we're here with my friend. Say hi. Hi. Rick. Say hi. Okay. Hello, test account. Hello, Tony. Zuni. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Got you, butterfly. Okay, here you go. Okay, room 1. Here you go. Why are you lagging? You're going into room 1. I'm just gonna take these for no reason. Hello. You better be fast. You're slow as heck. Okay, hello. And a nice sample. What is the problem? What is the problem? What do you want? Herbs? That must be a coincidence. I already have herbs. Okay, let's go to the next patient. Oh, hello. Let's go see. Okay, that's okay. Okay, let's see. Toby, here's your. I'll be in room 2. Huh? Okay. Saan yung diaper? Ito. Okay, I'm doing the nurse job and ouch! I'm sorry. I'm a nurse, so I must take DNA samples. Sorry, cat. Okay. You want eye drops? Here is the eye drops. Goodbye. The doctor's arriving? Who's the doctor? Who is the doctor? Oh, hello. Who are you? Who are you? I'm just gonna take some. I'm Dr. Harlow. Hey, Harlow. Summit basa. Okay, that's. I'm gonna smack. I'm gonna smack you. Okay, 2 check-ins. Okay, 0 deaths. Excellent. 1. Cornelius. What the? You closed the door! Let me in. No, no. I gotta go. Hello, my name is Motsuko Shin. I want to check in as a patient. Take a picture. Inspect the photo. Ikaw much to see. Okay. We got room 3. You better go. Why are you so slow? I'll check all cameras. This place gives me the creeps. Huh? Okay, anyways, you're going to room 3. Go over there. And let's see what you want. Take DNA sample. Let's see. What is wrong with you? Huh? Cinnamon. No. We need to check in. Place it. Place her. Let's see what. I'll leave the other patient alone. Analyzing. Low sugar. You need, what do you need? Oh, maple syrup. Low blood sugar. Let's see. Medicine. Okay, everyone is recovering. I got room 1. Okay, there are stories about this place. How do you know? Is it because I smacked Dr. Harlow? Thank you, doctor. You're welcome. Dr. Buckley will help you. We also need to wear these gloves. Like this. Look at this bunny. It's good. Let's see. Bleeding. Okay. Bandage. What bandage? Bandage. Okay. The doctor's arriving. Okay. Dr. Harlow. Dr. Harlow. Got some morning coffee? Oh, I'm just it's for you. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. Okay. We only have $63. Faster computers. Yeah, that's it. Ano ba tae? I'm a nurse. Okay, let's see. Top secret register. Yes. Okay, Mr. I'm a nurse. Okay. This place gives me the creeps. Is it because how it's made? Where are you going? Are you going to room 8? I'll do. Okay, put down your suitcase. Okay. IV drops. Oh, bandages. Okay, Okay. Okay, we need to the antibiotics. An organ. Okay. Oh my gosh. An IV drops. Oh my gosh. Phew. I almost killed that patient. Okay, patient. You'll be good soon. Okay? 1 drop. Goodbye. I feel much better now. Okay. Why do you look scared? Room 4. You're going to room 4. Okay, let's see what you want. Ouch. One drop says, these together. Canadian stomach ache. Maple syrup. And there you go. You look okay. Ouch. It's okay. What? Oh, it turned purple. Low bruises. Okay, so whenever there's blood sugar and bruises, whenever it's low blood sugar or bruises, it's gonna be medkit or maple syrup. Nope. On 65. Oh! Okay. How dare you kiss? Oh. Wait for this patient to go so you... Hey, go away! It's your turn by now. You're wasting time. Wait. Room 6? Oh my gosh, room 6. Okay. Okay, so what is this? High voltage inside. Do not open. Then why are we inside? Copy the sequence. Yellow, green, green, yellow, yellow, green, green, yellow. There you go. dried ice, dehydration, fever.
Kaya hindi, huli na ako napunta sa inyo. Natago ako doon eh.
Okay. I'm sorry. I'm new.
Ang dami na. Nasa ako din niya. Di ba pa gusto? Tapos dito tayo na ipasok tayo. Puno. Wow, ano ka natin eh?
I thought IV drops equals dehydration. Okay, I'll drink coffee. Patient on fire!
Bakit?
So you have bruises. So what I told before is that bruises equals like doing some computery. Almost finished. Dry the ice rash feet. Thermal. What the heck? I am bunny doctor. Bunny doctor. I'll do all. Okay, room 5. This is room 8.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh, we need to do surgery. Mommy and doctor. Surgeon. I'll just say surgeon. Oh. Come on. Okay, DNA sample. You'll be okay, Bunny. You're just gonna be a cute little bunny forever. Wait, is that a bunny? Are we all bunnies? What does it say? Animal hospital? So you must be something. Headache, bruises. Wait a minute. Me. Okay, now I'm so focused. Ouch! Oh no, test account! Okay. Don't look up. Yeah, I know. There's literally eyes on the ceiling. I got a new perk. I mean classes. And look at my. Let's do it again.
Kaya ka nga, yung may review sa mga.
Ha?
Ang mga biyak.
Hindi ko eh. Hindi ko mapagsahan ko kapag na eh.
What? What do you mean? You check it. What? Start it quickly before they get in. You check it. Okay, let's again and again, play again and again, again and again. Huh? I have nurse class. Wait, what is Bunny? 2. Me. 2. Right there.
Mahal-mahal ng kaldero. Magkano pa ang
I don't know. Hashtags.
Tama.
Bukas hindi ko nalakot ko. Pera! Ikaw, walang problema mo.
Pera.
Paano mo yung ligaw?
Sabi ka?
Limat lang, nilipis lang.
Okay, so
Kukunin mo lahat. Ako may tricycle lang.
I searched online and that herbs is always the first thing that will come in your mind.
Oo, ikaw.
So yeah. Your health is important to us. Stay healthy and stay safe. High blood sugar.
Dami.
Lagi bata pa ako, nasaksakan.
What is yung bata niya? Isa tingisa ng bata.
Okay. Butter? Where butter? Herbs. Okay.
Hindi ko tulad dati parang bulak.
Oh, why?
Ako yung kamyan.
Number 2.
Wala ka mati.
Ako sabi ko sa tiki ka akong mga...
Oy,
Let's do together.
Pag mo, ano na dyan niyo? Alis mo ba?
Okay.
Reveal to wire yan. Mga kumputan na. Ulo at saka palakyan. Alam niyo yung mga iriya, dahil
Oh man, I wasn't the first one. Wait, I realized I was literally recording. I'm so focused. I'm locked in. Okay. I don't care about that doctor. You must be the new hired. I'm the new Dr. Harlow.
We're Dr. M.
nakagano ko
That's a deer. We're both bunnies. Doesn't that mean we're a pig? Are you a pig?
kaya alam mo na yung
Are you a deer? You're a rhino.
kasi lahat yung mga gagawa pa yan.
Excellent. Who's the employee of the month? I literally did the first patient. You know what? I'm preparing everything. I'm getting everything on the shelves. IV drops, everything. As you can put it in your inventory. Can only carry 4? Seriously? I think we need only... we don't need this. Yes. I'm here for my appointment. Room 1. It will be most likely nothing. You look good, so you might be this.
Mababait ang anak.
Is chess account still in the game? Click, 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 click. I'm gonna pour maple syrup on the computer. Look. I'm keeping this thing on me. Where are you going? Are you going to room 5? Okay. You look good. You must have herbs. I don't know. just rushing everything. I'm just gonna throw this away. Okay, so look, bruised up. Room 1. Okay. I'm getting coffee. Okay, so I got scared by that thing. Just kidding, I'm not buying that. Okay, so the doctor's arriving. Okay, so no, it says it's because he's bad. That's unfair. Go, 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 go. Do some computering, doing some research. People. She or he needs a thermal. Yes. Room 5. Closes in 1 minute. Why are you staring at me like that? Okay, open the door. What? Oh, I forgot. It's room 5. Oh. Anomaly. What do you want? Okay. What? Well, that's it. This is the end of the video. Please like and subscribe because this bunny is waiting for you. Bye. I'm scared.